Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you this sticker that I just uploaded on my blog and on my shop page on Show Brand. Then this is the introduction. So guys, this is the sticker on this cup. This is what I'm selling on my shop page. And look at it over here on this laptop. So you can place this sticker on any surface of your choice. So as you can see here too, some sewing machine. So guys, this is the key features of this sticker. The sticker is made from strong plastic, ensuring it will last for a long period of time. It can withstand various weather conditions and it's protected from fading in sunlight. The sticker has bright color that stand out and catch attention. Applying the sticker is very simple and doesn't require any special tools. It can be used both inside and outside, offering flexibility in placement. So this is the conclusion. Okay, so now it says here available on Show Brand. So before we click on this link, look at the questions and answers here. So these are the questions, then the answers down here. So there are 10 questions and answers. So these are my other blogs. You can go ahead and read more. So let's go back to the link. So guys, if you want to buy this sticker on Show Brand, you can click on this link down here, available on Show Brand. So let's click on the link. So guys, we are now on Show Brand. So this is the sticker I was talking about on my blog. So the price is just $3. It's very affordable. So these are the short description of this sticker. So guys, these are the ways to use this sticker. Laptop decoration. You can put the sticker on your laptop to make it look cool. Notebook. You can also put your notebook on the cover to make it look nicer and personal. Water bottle. It makes your water bottle look prettier by adding the sticker to it. Phone cases. You can decorate your phone case by sticking the sticker on it. Then your cars and vehicles or bike. You can put the sticker on your cars by spreading a message of harmony wherever you drive or wherever you go. Gift seal. You can use this sticker to decorate envelope or gifts. Text decoration. Add the sticker to your text to make it look nicer. and more inspiring. Social media profile picture frame. Create a special frame for your social media. Social media profile picture frame. You can create a special frame for your social media profile picture, featuring the sticker to show your support for harmony and unity. So guys, we have come to the end of today's video. Please, if you find this video very helpful, please subscribe, like, share. See my next video. Goodbye.